outgoing. That ain't outgoing.
Just I've got a few problems. Outgoing.
I'd be happy to.
My mom's this tough chick, and my dad's all outgoing, and...
Yes, I heard you. Check all outgoing
It doesn't even
flights.
cover the outgoings.
How can we spend so much money?
I want you to arrange that all...
Outgoing tide crashes up against that.
Put this in the outgoing mail.
Might have been helpful if his outgoing...
No, it's outgoing. And there'll be plenty more of
Tell
it.
the difference between incoming and outgoing.
I think you need to sound a little more outgoing.
That ain't outgoing. That ain't outgoing. Now what I just say? And you give me money.
I'll pay. Just I've got a few problems. Outgoing.
Yeah, tell me about it. Please, could you add this to your outgoing mail?
I'd be happy to.
Good day, sir.
I don't look like either of my parents. My mom's this tough chick, and my dad's all outgoing, and I went and chose Beethoven and the
No sweat. Yes, I heard you. Check all outgoing flights.
All right, 306, come in, please.
Yeah, I want...
From the latest vamp novel and just $2.50 from the music reviews. It doesn't even cover the outgoings.
How can we spend so much money?
The mortgage, Matilda's, restaurants.
You always pick up the...
What we have will be quite sufficient. I want you to arrange that all outgoing calls are monitored.
All calls?
Don't worry, Brett.
Rise up when they hit the shallows, crash up against that bar. Outgoing tide crashes up against that bar. That bar.
And me?
Yeah, that's it.
Right. Put this in the outgoing mail. It's important.
I didn't know he applied here, too.
Might have been helpful if his outgoing message didn't say, "It's Sal, bitches."
Is that incoming mail?
No, it's outgoing. And there'll be plenty more of it. What time is it, Hanson?
10:30.
What did they say the signal for incoming round?
Oh, man, I can't even tell the difference between incoming and outgoing. I dove off the shitter up at Evans. It was our stuff going out.
I think it's...
But it's an outgoing message, so I think you need to sound a little more outgoing.
Hi, this is Sam. I'm at home. Shoot. Wait.
Late! And they docked this goes to 7. Mr. Matuzak. Incoming articles, get a voucher. Outgoing articles, provide a voucher. Move any article without a voucher, and they dock you.
He's enterprising, aggressive, outgoing, young, bold, vicious.
And no swaps. It's outgoing only today.
Thank you.
This, of course, is the message center for incoming and outgoing signal. These tubes lead to the wireless room just down the hall.
Door. I can land, but I must land now, on the first outgoing runway. Repeat, I cannot circle around to runway 1.